Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan Shaukat and my ME number is ME131055. I'm going to solve this equation by bisection method. First, we will guess the initial values. I have guessed the initial values, that is x is equals to 2 and 3. Now we will put these values in f of x. If you put f of x equal to 2, we will get minus 201. And if you put f of x equal to 3, we will get 10. The roots, you will notice that there is a value, a negative and a positive value. So the roots will lie, so the third root will lie between 2 and 3. So we will take the average of these two values. So it comes as 2.5. Now f of x1, f of x1, which was the third value, 2.5. If we put is 2.5 in this equation, we will get minus 124.375. Now this value is negative, and this value is negative, and the value which we got from f of x3 is 10. So we will take we will take the root 2.5 and 3, because the root will lie between a positive value and a negative value, that is 10 and minus 24.375. Now we move to the next step. Okay, we will take the average of these two values, 2.5 and 3, which comes as 2.75. Now we put this value, the fourth value, in the equation f of x, which is 2.5. We will get minus 65.11. Now move on, and x2 is 2.75 and x0 is 3. Now we will take the average of these two values. You will notice that this value is negative. It is minus 65.11, and the previous value was also negative, minus 24.375. So we will continue with the same root, 2.75 and x0 is equals to 3, because we didn't got any positive value. So it's 2.75 and x0 is equals to 3. So now we take the average of these two, which comes as 2.875. And 2.875, if put into the value equation, we will get minus 29.6. And again we got a negative value, so we will use again x0 and 2.875 until we got a positive value. So this here comes, now we will take the average of this 2.875 and 3. x4 is 2.9375 by taking the average of these two values, x3 and x0. Now we put this in the equation, we will get minus 10.34. Now the x4 value is 2.9375 and x0 is 3. So in the previous step we got f of x4 negative value, so we will repeat this step, and we will take the average of these two values, which comes as 2.9, which is x5, 2.96875. Now we will put it in that equation. It's which comes as negative 0.303. Now if we take the average of these two values again, x4 and x5 and x not equal to 3, here comes 2.984375. Put it in the equation and you will get 4.81. Now this value, you can see that it's positive, and the previous value was negative. So we can use the value of x6 and the previous value of x5, which was 2.96875, because the root will lie between a positive and a negative value. So now x6 is 2.98. Now we will take the average of x6 and x5, which comes as 2.984735, which is x6. Now these are the S2 values, x5 and x6. Now we will take the average of these two values, 2.9, which comes as 2.9765625. Now if you put this value x7 into the equation, we will get 2.2475. Now what I have skipped the 8th and 9th iteration, because I have not written that, but I have calculated from the calculator. It was not the root, so I directly jumped into the x10. I skipped that working, and the x10 values come as 2.9697.
Thank you.
And this is the root in which the f of x, the equation, if we put it in the equation, it will become 0.
Thank you.
Thank you.